In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Microsoft Teams chat history. We often need to reference past discussions or preserve important conversations, and exporting your chat history from Microsoft Teams can be a valuable tool for this. Let's walk through how to do it step by step, so you have access to your chat history whenever you need it. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. This is essential, as accessing your chat history requires being logged in. Once you've signed in, head to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking, a small menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled My Microsoft Account and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your account. On this page, you'll see multiple tabs. The one we're interested in is the Privacy tab. Go ahead and click on that. The privacy settings are where you can manage all sorts of details about how your data is handled and accessed. This is also where we'll be initiating the process to export your chat history. Once you're in the privacy section, look for an option called Teams. As you might guess, this is where all the Microsoft Teams data settings are stored. Clicking on Teams will take us one step closer to retrieving your chat history. Now you should see an option for chat history. This is the area specifically designed for retrieving your Teams conversations. Click on Chat History, and you'll be directed to the area where you can export your data. Finally, you'll see a button that says Submit Request. Clicking this will officially start the process of exporting your chat history. Microsoft will then process your request, and once it's complete, you'll receive an exported file containing your chat history. The process can take some time, so make sure to keep an eye on your email or notifications for any updates. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to export your chat history from Microsoft Teams. This method gives you a way to keep a copy of your conversations, which is essential for record keeping or revisiting past discussions. By following these steps, you ensure that important information isn't lost and remains accessible whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.